Hello everyone, let's see how we can solve this advanced exponential equation together. Majority of students solve this incorrectly, and that's why I'm here. We are given 4 to the power of 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 2 to the power of s equals this. So now, to make it simple, let y equals 2 to the power of x. Let y equals 2 to the power of x. That is, anywhere you see 2 to the power of x replaced by what? Y. Okay, so take note of this because we are going to make use of it. Okay, now we continue. So we are going to have 4 to the power of y, then plus 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of y, okay, then equals 56. All right, now the next thing we're going to do, so 4 to the power of y, we can have this to be 2 to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of 2. And these 2, we multiply the y, we're going to have 2y, then plus 2 to the power of y, then equals 56. Now, if you look at what we have here, you can rewrite this as 2, take this y inside, then to the power of 2, plus 2 to the power of y, then equals 56. Now, another thing we're going to do here is that we have 2 to the power of y here, we have 2 to the power of y here. Now, this is what? This is quadratic equation in terms of what? In terms of 2 to the power of y. So therefore, we can have this to be, let us use this. Okay, before that, we can simply take this inside, 2 to the power of y to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of y, then minus 56 equals 0. So to be in a standard form of quadratic equation. So now here, we are going to use factorization equals 0. Use factorization method. Look for the two factors of minus 56. Now when you multiply them together, will give us the coefficient. What is the coefficient of this? This is 1. That is, you can see 1 times the coefficient of 2 to the power of y is 1. Now you put 2 to the power of y here, you have 2 to the power of y here. So now for this, we're going to have what? We're going to have 8 times minus 7. 8 times minus 7 will give us minus 56. So we have plus what? Plus 8. Then we have minus what? Minus 7 here. Okay, if you multiply this by this, you are still going to have this. So now from here, you're going to see that we have 2 to the power of y plus 8 will be equal to 0. That's our case 1. Then 2 to the power of y also minus 7 will be equal to 0. This is what? This is case 2. Understand? So now from here, you see that if I transpose this 8 to this side, I'm going to have what? I'm going to have 2 to the power of y equals minus 8. And this is exponential value. So this cannot give us negative number. So therefore, we are going to reject this one. The case 1, we are going to reject it. We are not going to get any solution there. Then we move to the next one, which is case 2. So from where? From case 2 now. From case 2, where we have 2 to the power of y and minus 7 equals 0. So you see that from here, we can now have what? We can now have 2 to the power of y equals 7 will come here. That is when you transpose 7 to this side. Now from here, we are looking for y. We are looking for y. So how are you going to do here? So this is going to be log base 2. Then 2y equals log base 2, then 7. So you see that this power y, we have to come down like this. We have log 2 base 2, then equals log 7 base 2. Understood? So from there, this will turn to what? This will turn to 1. So we have what? Because log 2 base 2, so we have y equals log 7 base 2. But you don't have to stop here, because if you look at what we have here, our original variable is what? Is x, not y. So therefore, you need to go back to this star. From where? From star, where we have y equals 2 to the power of x. Okay, so it means that we're going to have 2 to the power of x will be equals to log 7 base 2. So we are going to introduce logarithm again. and that will be log of base 2, 2x equals log 7 base 2. So lastly, so you know that x will come down and this will become 1. We have x equals log, I've forgotten this one, I was supposed to put it there. You know, if you introduce log 2, then log 7 base 2 again. So we're going to have our answer to be that log 7 base 2. And this is what we are going to have. Our x is going to be log, with respect to base 2, log 7 base 2. So if you find the class very interesting, so kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.